If you're trying to save money on the road, start with these budget-friendly RV travel hacks. Welcome back to Compass for Nomads, where we make RV life simple. Let's jump right in. Hack number 1 is meal prepping before travel days. Eating out on the road adds up fast, and even grabbing quick snacks can blow your budget without you realizing it. We prep simple meals the night before, things like wraps, pasta salads, or slow cooker meals, so we're not tempted to stop for expensive food while traveling. Fast meals like these make travel days smoother and way more budget-friendly. Hack number 2 is using the right memberships. Campground memberships can save you a huge amount of money if you travel often. I personally use 1,000 Trails, and it's saved us a ton on nightly rates. Programs like 1,000 Trails, Passport America, and KOA Rewards offer discounted stays, free nights, or lower nightly rates. Even saving $10 to $20 per night adds up fast when you're on the road. I'll leave a link below if you want to check out the membership I use. Hack number 3 is fuel savings. Fuel is one of the biggest expenses in RV life, but there are a few simple ways to cut that cost. We use apps like GasBuddy to find the cheapest stations along our route, and I also use Upside to earn cash back every time we fill up. Even slowing down just a little can make a big difference in your MPG. Dropping your speed by 5 miles per hour can save you money over a long travel day. I'll leave my Upside referral link below if you want to try it. Hack number 4 is taking advantage of free and cheap activities. You don't have to spend money every time you explore a new place. We look for things like beaches, parks, local trails, free events, and small town attractions. A lot of the best experiences on the road don't cost anything at all, and they're usually the ones you remember the most. Hack number 5 is staying longer at each campground. Most parks offer weekly or monthly rates that are way cheaper than paying night to night. Even staying just a few extra days can drop your nightly cost by a lot. Plus, if you have a membership, slower travel means less fuel, less wear on your RV, and more time to actually enjoy the area. Hack number 6 is doing simple DIY repairs yourself. RV service calls can get expensive fast, and a lot of basic fixes are easier than they look. Things like replacing fuses, tightening hardware, sealing small leaks, or swapping out parts can usually be done with a few basic tools. Learning these small repairs saves money and keeps you from waiting days for an appointment. Hack number 7 is finding affordable internet options. Staying connected on the road doesn't have to be expensive. We look for budget-friendly plans, prepaid data options, and campground Wi-Fi when it's available. We personally use T-Mobile home internet and just bring it with us. It's simple, reliable, and way cheaper than most RV-specific plans. A lot of RVers also use hotspot plans or low-cost carriers to keep their monthly bill down. The key is choosing something that fits your travel style without overpaying for data you don't use. Those are some of the easiest ways to save money while RVing, and they've made a huge difference for us on the road. You don't have to cut back on the fun. Just make a few smart choices that keep your budget in check. And if you have your own budget-friendly tips, share them in the comments. I love hearing what works for other travelers. Thanks for watching Compass for Nomads. If you want the links to the memberships and apps we use, they're all in the pinned comments. And I'd love to hear your favorite budget-friendly RV tips, so drop them in the comments. It helps other travelers too. Don't forget to subscribe for more RV tips and travel guides. Safe travels, and we'll see you on the next adventure.